As co-chairman, I'm delighted to welcome you to this abbreviated version of the Symposium. Sadly, not by the gentle flow of the River Cam this year, but through the amazing, albeit impersonal, medium of the internet. The title of this year's Symposium is Economic Crime: Who Pays and Who Should Pay? As those of you who attended previous symposia will know, we look each year at a slightly different issue in relation to economic crime as a whole, so that over a period of years, we will have looked in the round at the whole topic, examining issues, problems, remedies from the aspect of many different disciplines, including the law, finance, enforcement, regulatory, government, policing, accountancy, and economics. In doing that, we have contributors from all continents and from many, many nations, so that no topic is ever examined from a single national or cultural perspective. Indeed, we draw on the experiences and insights from many cultures and professional disciplines, in the hope of gaining the widest of perspectives in relation to our topic. As far as I'm aware, it is a unique approach to any subject matter in the world of academia. The most important aspect of the symposium, which you are denied this year, is the opportunity not only to attend the sessions, lectures, and workshops, but to socialise and discuss informally the issue of common interest that has brought so many of us together over these many years. Finally, in this welcome, I will just mention briefly this year's topic, which, as you know, is concerned with who is harmed and who pays for economically motivated crime, and who should be held accountable for it. There are very many aspects to this, as I'm sure you all know. Not only the immediate cost to in relation to the specific criminal offence, but the wider cost of economic crime generally on individuals, businesses, nation-states, and society internationally in general. An economic crime has no respect for national boundaries, and this raises all sorts of issues about borders, enforcement, international cooperation, how regulation can spread internationally and not simply be confined to the domestic scene. On a more localised level, there is the issue of who bears the cost of preventative measures. How is this shared between the nation state, individuals, and individual businesses? What about the effect on economic activity in the private sector? What is the cost-benefit analysis? Because at the end of the day, the object of having a system to deal with economic crime is actually to frustrate the operation of the economic criminal and hopefully to bring those responsible for economic crime before the courts. And in this, there has got to be a balance between the disruptive effect, and it's necessarily disruptive, of regulation and the effectiveness of that. And that's something that needs perhaps to be explored in very much more detail. So there are a huge number of issues to discuss. And hopefully next year, when we're able to meet, these can be discussed less formally and perhaps in much more depth. For now, please enjoy our limited offering. Thank you very much for joining us.